The Jamaica Constabulary Force is imploring Jamaicans to scrub information from empty barrels. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is advising Jamaicans who receive barrels from overseas during the festive season to be careful when displaying the empty containers bearing their relatives' personal information. Head of the JCF Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Senior Superintendent SSP Stephanie Lindsay, said that the containers are very useful for garbage disposal, but it's important to distort the shipping information to deter fraudsters and other criminals. In the meantime, Stephanie Lindsay is urging Jamaicans to use a marker or something to distort the personal information of their family members living overseas, as persons in the past have been able to gather information and turn up at your gate pretending to be sent by someone from abroad, and they are connected to the person, and because they have all the information, they are able to provide you with the information and convince you that they are a legitimate company. They are not legitimate, they are just using a bit of information to gain your trust and then gain access to your premises. Meanwhile, the senior superintendent further urged that when securing transportation involving luggage and valuables from the airport, particularly during this busy travel season, it's best to use someone that you know or acquainted with. Ms. Stephanie Lindsay further added that don't just get a random person in order to transport you from the airport, because she has seen cases in the past that have been investigated where it's the very same person that is used to transport you from the airport orchestrate plans with other individuals who are so-called criminals in order to rob you of your personal belongings. She also advised people to be discreet when traveling from the airport with valuables, both on their person and in their suitcases. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.